Starting with the glorious name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Amjad. I am a student of BS Software Engineering. I created this YouTube channel for you guys. The major and ultimate objective of this YouTube channel is to enhance the practical work as compared to the theoretical work, because almost every institution focuses on the theoretical work but not on the practical work. This In this channel I will share with you the general information videos and motivational videos and real-time examples about the technology and so on and so on. So today I will introduce you the course that I will teach you via this channel. In the title of this course is Introduction to Oracle and SQL languages. First of all, I would like to share with you the history of Oracle, background and overview of the Oracle, where and when and who is created the Oracle. So guys, 16 June 1977, Software Development Laboratories LDA created in Santa Clara, California, and in 1978 the first Oracle version was born by the three main pillars of the technological world named Larry Ellison, Bob Miner and Edward D. Oates. These are the three co-founders of the Oracle firm. Now I would like to share with you the definition of Oracle and the concept of Oracle. What is Oracle? So many people have thinking about the Oracle is language, but I am going to clear with you, Oracle is not a language. Oracle is a firm and company who create the RDBMS softwares. What is RDBMS softwares? RDBMS is abbreviation of Relational Database Management System. Relational database management softwares are those softwares who create the relationship between your database and your systems, because as you know, as you can see that the word RDBMS is self-explanatory, because it creates the relation and create the interaction between the database and your system. And what are the characteristics of RDBMS? There are five major and the fundamental characteristics of the relational database management systems. I mentioned here: insert, update, delete information based on condition. So a software who provide the facility to insert the data into the system, to update the existing data into the system, and delete the existing data into the system as per the requirement and as per the need of the user, are called the RDBMS softwares. And the other one property of the RDBMS is accept SQL queries. Here is the word SQL stand for structure query language. A software who provide the security. As you know that Oracle softwares provide uses in the market about 99 to 95% in the technological world, because every software use the Oracle databases, uh, because Oracle softwares are very secure and no one hacked these softwares. The RDBMS software provide the facility, the transactional control. Transactional control means who access the data and who do not access the data of the system. RDBMS softwares also provide the facility to the user to manage data sharing. So friends, this is all about my first video, and this is the introduction of the course. In my upcoming videos, I will share with you the topics and version of Oracle that we will clear in this course. And stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you.